Ever notice how you walk into a supermarket, perhaps just needing milk, a simple staple? You grab a trolley, ready for a quick in-and-out mission, but then, somehow, you end up face-to-face with a strategically placed mountain of chocolate biscuits, gleaming under the lights, screaming special offer. That's no accident, not a random occurrence, it's a calculated move. Every display, every carefully angled light, and every product placement from the end-of-aisle promotions to the shelf height of certain items is part of a meticulously crafted plan. It's a plan, one increasingly shaped by the vast amounts of data collected about you, your habits, and your preferences. Retailers have essentially become data scientists, employing sophisticated algorithms and analytical tools. They're decoding your every move in the aisles, tracking your patterns, and predicting your next purchase. Technology, sensors embedded in shelves, strategically placed cameras, and even the signals from your own smartphone, turns the store into a living, breathing lab, constantly gathering information. It's logging your every step, every pause, and every product choice, creating a detailed map of your shopping behavior. The ultimate goal? To deeply understand and subtly influence your shopping journey, guiding you towards specific products and maximizing your spending. All this to make the store more persuasive, more engaging, and ultimately more profitable. So next time you find yourself inexplicably drawn to a promotional display or reaching for an item you didn't even know you wanted, remember, it's the carefully calculated result of countless hours of data analysis, strategic planning, and psychological understanding, not just a stroke of marketing luck. The modern supermarket is an intelligent environment, constantly evolving and adapting based on the information it gathers. It's learning from every shopper who walks through its doors, refining its strategies with each passing day. Even your seemingly insignificant quick trip for bread and milk contributes to this vast and ever-growing system. It's a system that's constantly redesigning and reimagining the way we shop, subtly nudging us towards certain choices. So, remember, you're not just passively buying groceries. You're actively shaping the future of retail, one biscuit, one impulse purchase, one carefully considered choice at a time. The invisible hand that's subtly guiding your trolley down the supermarket aisle is powered not by chance or coincidence, but by the relentless analysis of data, transforming the shopping experience in ways you might never imagine. Your phone's Wi-Fi is always searching, constantly seeking a connection, even when you think it's idle. It's a background process, silently scanning the environment for available networks, hoping to latch on to a familiar signal. This constant search is more than just a quest for free internet. It's a key to understanding how your movements are tracked in the modern retail landscape. Even in stores, amidst the bustling crowds and carefully curated displays, the aisles become pathways in a digital maze, each turn and stop recorded, analyzed, and ultimately monetized. As it pings for networks, sending out signals like a digital echo, it's not just looking for a connection to the internet. It broadcasts a unique identifier called a MAC address. This address is essentially your phone's fingerprint in the digital world, a distinct marker that allows networks to recognize and track it. Store routers, strategically placed throughout the building, pick up these pings, acting as silent observers. They're not just providing Wi-Fi, they're gathering data, tracking your phone's movement, charting your course through the store with surprising accuracy. This isn't about identifying you personally, but rather about understanding patterns and trends, without you ever connecting. You don't need to log in or agree to anything. The simple act of having your Wi-Fi enabled is enough. This creates a digital map of your journey, a detailed record of your path through the retail space, where you entered, marking the starting point of your shopping expedition, which aisles you visited, revealing your areas of interest and potential purchases, and how long you lingered, indicating the products that truly caught your attention. You become an anonymous data point, a piece of a larger puzzle that retailers are constantly trying to solve, your path blending with thousands of others, creating a collective portrait of shopper behavior. Managers use this data, analyzing the aggregated information to gain valuable insights, to see which areas attract crowds, identifying the hotspots that draw the most attention, and which are ignored, highlighting the areas that need improvement or a strategic rethink. Wi-Fi tracking reveals bottlenecks, identifying areas where customers are getting stuck or frustrated. Popular routes, showing the paths that shoppers most frequently take through the store. And even abandoned shopping trips, providing clues about why customers might be leaving without making a purchase. It's a silent, passive system operating in the background without requiring any active participation from you. Your phone quietly drawing a map of your desires, translating your browsing habits into actionable data for retailers. The store becomes a measurable space, a carefully calibrated environment where every movement is tracked and analyzed. Optimized for sales and efficiency, designed to maximize profits and streamline the shopping experience. You may never notice, remaining blissfully unaware of the digital footprint you're leaving behind. But your phone is helping retailers, providing them with the information they need to understand your shopping habits. Redesign the shopping experience, constantly evolving to better cater to your needs and desires, or at least what they perceive them to be. Every step you take is logged, analyzed, becoming a data point in a vast sea of information, and used to shape the store's future, influencing everything from product placement to store layout. The invisible flow of shoppers is now visible, transformed into a tangible and quantifiable metric, and valuable, a key asset in the competitive world of retail. Your phone is the pen, unknowingly writing a story about your shopping preferences, and the store is reading your story, deciphering your desires and adapting to your every move. Security cameras aren't just for catching shoplifters anymore. They're now powered by AI, analyzing your every move. These smart cameras track shoppers, distinguish staff, and follow your journey from entrance to exit. They analyze posture, pace, and even where your gaze lingers on the shelves. Some systems claim to read emotions, gauging customer satisfaction or frustration in real time. This feedback helps retailers spot pain points and smooth out the shopping experience. The camera has evolved into a market researcher and behavioral analyst. While data is often anonymized, the technology's power raises privacy questions. Your glances and gestures are now valuable data, shaping the store around you. The store is always watching, always learning, and always adapting. Store apps promise convenience and discounts, but they're also powerful tracking tools. With Bluetooth beacons, the app knows your exact location in the store, down to the shelf. It can send you targeted offers as you linger, nudging you towards specific products. The data doesn't stop at the exit. Apps may track your habits outside the store too. You trade personal data for perks, turning your phone into a willing accomplice. The digital loyalty card comes at the price of your privacy. Even the most mundane aspects of our lives are being revolutionized by technology. Take shopping, for example. Even shopping carts are getting smart, equipped with sensors, constantly gathering information about their surroundings and usage. They also come equipped with cameras and touchscreens, offering a new level of interaction and data collection. As you add items, placing them into the cart logs each product, meticulously recording every addition to your virtual basket. It's creating a digital inventory as you shop, and even notes what you pick up and put back. Every item you consider is registered, whether it makes it into your cart or not. It tracks your path through the store, mapping your every move, creating a detailed map of your journey and decisions. It knows which aisles you lingered in and which ones you skipped. This data helps retailers understand with unprecedented accuracy which products are considered but not bought, offering insights into consumer preferences and potential missed sales opportunities, and how shoppers move, revealing patterns in customer traffic and store layout effectiveness. Smart carts promise frictionless checkout, a seamless and quick experience. Just walk out, and your bill is charged automatically. No more waiting in lines or fumbling with cash. But this convenience comes with total surveillance of your trip. Every corner you turn is being watched. Every hesitation and purchase is logged and analyzed, feeding into a detailed profile of your shopping habits. The humble trolley is now a data generator, transforming a simple tool into a source of valuable information, providing a perfect account of your shopping. Every item, every price, every discount, all meticulously recorded. Your journey is no longer private. It's an open book for retailers to study and understand. It's a case study in consumer behavior, providing insights that were previously impossible to obtain. The smart cart is both your helper and your tracker, a symbol of the increasing intersection of convenience and data collection in our daily lives. It raises important questions about privacy and the future of retail. All this data is visualized as heat maps, colorful floor plans showing where shoppers linger and where they rush. Hot zones reveal popular spots, cold zones expose ignored areas. Managers use heat maps to spot traffic patterns, bottlenecks, and dead zones. They can instantly see if a display is working or if an aisle is being avoided. Heat maps are dynamic, showing how patterns shift by time or day. By overlaying sales data, retailers see if high-traffic areas drive revenue. These maps are objective verdicts on store design, free from guesswork. The store's pulse is visible at a glance, guiding every decision. Heat maps are the secret weapon of modern retail. Retailers track you to optimize layouts, boost sales, and improve your experience. Data shows where to place high-margin products and how to guide shoppers past tempting offers. Tracking reveals friction points, like crowded deli counters, so stores can fix them and keep you happy. Staffing is scheduled based on real traffic, not guesswork. Every decision from shelf placement to promotions is backed by your behavior. The goal: remove barriers, increase time spent in store, and maximize sales. The store is engineered for efficiency, using your footsteps as the blueprint. You're part of a finely tuned sales machine, whether you realize it or not. Every move you make is a data point in the quest for profit. In-store tracking raises big privacy questions. Do you really consent just by walking in? Retailers say data is anonymized, but combining it with other info can blur the lines. Regulations like GDPR and CCPA force stores to be more transparent and give you rights over your data. Still, privacy advocates warn that even anonymized data can sometimes be re-identified. The burden often falls on you to opt out, by disabling Wi-Fi or avoiding apps. As technology advances, the debate over privacy versus convenience intensifies. The challenge: balancing business interests with your right to autonomy. Your footsteps are valuable, and contested property. Major retailers are already using these technologies. Walmart combines cameras and Wi-Fi tracking to manage queues and optimize store flow. Uniqlo has experimented with neuroscience, analyzing brainwaves to suggest products based on mood. Amazon Go takes it further. Cameras and sensors track every move, and your account is charged automatically when you leave. There's no anonymity. Your shopping trip is linked to your identity. These examples show tracking isn't the future, it's now. Your shopping journey is a data source, teaching retailers how to build the store of tomorrow. If you want privacy, turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, use cash, and skip the apps. But know that every step you take is shaping the next generation of retail. The digital ghost of your footsteps is here to stay.